Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We'll see how to write a Python program to remove duplicate words from a string or from a sentence. So in our previous program, we have seen how to remove duplicate characters from a string. So there, if we have any duplicate characters in any string, right, we have seen that how to remove those specific characters. But here, if you have a sentence and there are multiple words and there are duplicate words, how you will find those duplicate words and how you will remove those duplicate words, we'll see that, right. So for example, we have one string, again s1, okay, we have one string s1, and let's say in this string we have the sentence which is learn Selenium with Python and learn Selenium with Java. Okay, so basically this is one sentence and we have multiple duplicate words here. For example, this learn is duplicate, right? This Selenium is also duplicate. Then with is also duplicate. See here, with is present twice. Okay, we will see the duplicate words here, right? So here I will show you three different approaches. First we will see the first approach, that is using a list and a join method. Okay, so the very first thing what we will do in the approach 1, what we will do, we will first split this string. Okay, so we have this string and we have these words, right? So first we will try to find what are the multiple words we have. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will write words is equal to s1 dot split. So basically we will use this split method to split these words, and what we will do, we will print words are and we will say words. Okay, so if I'll just execute and show you, okay, so you can see these are the different words we have in this sentence. Okay, then what we will do, we will take one list. Okay, we will take one list and we will keep it as empty. Okay, so we will take one empty list, then we will just write a simple for loop for I in words. Okay, so for I in words we will say if I not in, okay, if I not in list. Okay, if I not in list, then what we will say, list dot append. Okay, list dot append what, I. Okay, so that's all. Now we need to form this result. Okay, so what we did here, so we used one for loop, okay, for I in words. So in this words we see these are the different words. So first word is what, learn. So if this learn is present in this list, no, because list is empty. So then what we did, list dot append I, means we just added this first word, that is learn, to this list. Again in the second time for the Selenium is present, no, then we will add it. Then again with, is it present in this list, no, then we will add it. Same for Python, is it present, no, then we will add it. Again for and, is it present, no, then we will add it. But what about this learn? Learn is already present, because in this the very first time, right, learn was there, so it is already there in the list, so it will not append. Same thing for Selenium, same thing for with, and okay, Java, it is not there, Java is simple. So if you just want to see what you can do, let's print this list. Okay, list value, here we will say list. Let me show you. See, now this list removed all the duplicate words, right? Here you can see all these words. Okay, one more thing also I can show you. I can just do a print actual string, here we will say S1. Okay. Now let's see this is the actual string, and then when we split with different words, you can see these are the different words. Then we found this particular list where we removed all the duplicate words using this for loop and using this condition, and remember this list is empty. Okay. Then what we will do, then we will just join and we will form this result. We have seen it in our previous programs also. So what we will do, we will just write a result is equal to, here it is a sentence, we want space, that's why we will take space here, dot join. Okay. What you want to join? You want to join this list. Okay. Finally you just do a print. Okay. String after removing duplicate words. Okay. You just say result, run it. See, string after removing duplicate words. So I will just put something like this, so it will look good. Okay. Learn Selenium with Python and Java. Okay. Because these are the duplicate words, learn Selenium with Python and again learn Selenium with, these are the duplicate words, right? Here learn is there, here Selenium is there, here with is there. Okay. So we removed all these duplicate words. So here what we did, here we just joined it using the join method, and we joined, basically we had this list, and then from this list to we converted to as a string. Okay. So you will see the different step. This is the first string what we had, then we split it into multiple words, we formed a list. Okay. We formed a list, and then we separated all these words, and then we looped through that particular list and we figured out what are the duplicate words, and then we removed it. Okay. Here you can see all the duplicate words got removed, and finally what we did, finally we formed this particular string. Okay. So that's all we did here. So that's how you got this result. Okay. Now what I will do, I will show you the second approach. Let me just comment out these things. Okay. Let me just comment out this much. Now we will see the second approach. It is again very easy. Okay. Let me just copy this, and I have kept the same thing, right, same string. Okay. Same string I have kept it, and this approach too, it's like very simple. We will use set. Okay. So previously also in our previous program we have seen, we have used set and we have seen it. Okay. You can just do it only in one line. So you can do something like this, print. Okay. Then you just do dot join. Okay. I will explain you, just first see what I am writing, set of, then here you say S1 dot split. Okay. Let me show you, let me just execute and show you. See, this is what the result you got, right? Java, Python, learn with Selenium, and okay, again one more thing I am repeating. So as we have used set here, that's why this order is not proper, because you know if you are using set you will not get a proper order. That's why you are getting in a different kind of order. Okay. But what we did here basically, so again if you will see here, right, we are splitting it. And if I will show you something like this, you can take the words. Okay. Words is equal to S1 dot split. You can do it in one line, you can do also in this way, anything is fine. Okay. Words is equal to S1 dot split, and in place of this you can just write words. Okay. And here you can print words are, I am writing this because you can understand. Okay. So let me just show you. See, this is our initial string, actual string was this, then we split it into different words, whatever we did here, right, the same thing we are doing. Okay. Once we are splitting these words, then we are forming this set of words. So if we will just print this one, right, set of words, let us see what it is printing. Okay. Let me execute. See, this set of word, what it is doing, it is removing all the duplicate values. Okay. Because in set you cannot have the duplicate values, you have these words, but when you formed as set, you see all the duplicate values got removed, but one thing is the order got changed, but duplicate values got removed. Then the same thing what we did here, right, the join thing. So, we are just joining it, okay, using this space and dot join and whatever you are changing it here, right, same thing we are doing here. So, that is all, okay. And if you just want to see something like this also you can do. So, I can say S2 is equal to set of words, then print S2, and here you can say in place of set of words you can say S2. Okay. Python with Selenium, Learn and Java. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay. So, you can write it in one line also, you can write it like this by splitting what is happening one by one, right. So, this is your approach 2. Let me just comment it out. Let me show you the approach 3. Again this is also one liner, okay. So, here what we will do, we will use dictionary, okay. So, you can write something like this, print, okay. So, again same thing, space dot join, okay, but here what you need to say, you need to say dictionary dix dot, here you have to use from keys, okay. From keys is a method, inbuilt method, and here you can say S1 dot split, okay. This will also give you the result. Let me explain you. First I will execute and show. See, learn Selenium with Python and Java, okay. So, what is happening here? So, basically we are using a dictionary. So, what is dictionary in Python? So, dictionary in Python is a collection of keys and values, okay, and you already would have been knowing it. In a dictionary, value can be any data type and it can be duplicated, but keys cannot be duplicated, okay. So, keys always remain different, okay. You cannot have duplicate keys in your dictionary, okay. And what this from keys is doing? This from key basically a inbuilt method which returns a dictionary with the specified keys and the specified value. So, if I will show you something like this, right, already you have seen it here, right. Let me show you this, okay. So, here in place of words, so here we are splitting it, right. That is why what I will do, I will just in place of this S1 dot split, I will put this words, okay. And here this dictionary dot from keys and words, what we will do, we will print it also separately. So, you will get to know what is happening, print this also, okay. Let me just execute. See, first what is happening, this is your actual string, and then we are splitting these words, right. So, here we are splitting these words and that is what we are printing, different words, okay. Then we are using this dictionary dot from keys. So, here if you will see, we have this learn, Selenium with key value, right. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, but here you see the duplicate values, right, whatever was there. See, this learn is present here, this Selenium is present here, this with is present here, then this Python is present here, this and is present here, then this learn is a duplicate value because already it is there, that is why you are not seeing it here. Same thing for Selenium, Selenium is also duplicate, that is why you are not seeing here, with is also duplicate, that is why you are not seeing here, but Java is unique, that is why you are seeing Java and none. So, when you are using this dictionary, okay, dictionary, and in that point of time it is removing all your duplicate keys, okay. And then finally what we are doing, we are using this join method and we are forming this string, okay. That is what we are doing here, dot join and then dictionary dot from keys, okay. So, it is again very simple, okay. I have showed you 3 different approach, okay. Any approach you use, as it is as for you, okay. Anything you feel is easy for you, you use that one, okay. So, I hope this video is helpful for you, Okay, you got an idea how to remove duplicate words from a string or from a sentence. So if you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also do not forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python program playlist. I have added multiple programs there. So those are very helpful for your interview, very important. Okay, so do not forget to watch all those videos. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.